Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Richard. If you didn't know that already, please do subscribe and like if you find this video useful. Right, today, once again, I may be the bringer of bad news. And it's most appropriate that I'm on the Honda Dax. So I'm going to apologise up front if it's bad news. Here's a shot of the Honda Dax. Look at that. £2,600, was purchased with 300 miles on the clock, and it's just over a year old. Someone bought it and realised that they didn't want it anymore. Right, let's go. Let's go. I feel like it's ages. I feel like it's ages since I actually rode one of my own bikes since returning from that tour in Europe. Oh, by the way, moment, I'm just testing this out. I'll do a video in the very near future. I know that some of us have Sennas and some of us have Cardos. They're very expensive, especially when you buy two. They can roll up to £400 for two of them when you're just talking to your partner or pillion on the bike. This particular moment costs about £93. I'll put the link in the description, but I am going to do a review of it. Tina's got one in her helmet. We need to do some further testing, make sure everything's right, and then we'll show you what the results are. Yeah, so about £92. It'd be an ideal Christmas present, understanding we're in August now. On the understanding we are in August. Wow, it'll soon be winter. Oh my goodness. That's one bit of bad news. Now let's talk about the October budget in the UK. If you're not in the UK, you might not realise that every 6 months we have a budget and the government decide how they're going to tax us. Let's put this down. Let's go for a quick spin. So, having been told a few things on the inside, I get the impression that taxes for the middle class will be rising. And let's understand it, most of us on this channel are probably sat in what the government might describe as middle class, because the working class have been stung so hard already that they're already poor. Yeah, and if, you know, personally, you know, if you would categorize me, I would be classed as middle class. I would also hasten to add that actually I would class myself as working class, because if I stop working, then the quality of my life drops immediately, even though in previous videos I've said always save up a year's worth of pay. Here we go, let's get around this corner. Whee! On the Honda Dax ST125. So, I bought the Honda Dax because it does 130 odd to the gallon, 140 maybe even more. I still need to test it. My first run on this, from a usage perspective, ended up being 137 miles per gallon. I think I can get a bit more out of it. It's got about 400 miles on the engine, and we'll soon need to have the first service, of which I will do myself. I know I don't need the 2 years warranty from Honda, because it's a Honda, and Hondas run forever. That's another subject. So, what are we going to get in October if she's going to hit, if Rachel Reeves decides to hit the middle class? How is she going to deal with it? What's she going to do? How is she going to sting us? Is she going to bring another tax band in? So if you earned between £30,000 and £50,000 a year, then you're going to be taxed at a different rate other than 20%. Yeah? Let's go up here. That would be interesting, wouldn't it? So currently anything over, is it 60,000, 55,000, you're taxed at 40%? How about bringing another tax band in? Anything over 30,000, you get charged tax-wise, income tax-wise, at 30%. That would be an interesting one. How would you feel about that? Comment below. You comment below. By the way, I'm trying this new camera mount out. Hopefully you can see it. I'm just seeing if it's any better than the bra that I that I often wear. I don't know what it's going to come out like. Fingers crossed, it will be okay. What do you think she's going to do? She'll certainly go for second homes and third homes and all that kind of thing. Of course she's going to do. But, you know, not for the top class, not for the top class. I don't know. It's getting me a bit worried. It's getting me that worried that I'm thinking about moving abroad. Because I can work from anywhere. I've always said that the UK is one of the most expensive places to live. And it is. I know this is a bit political and I know you don't like it, but we've got to be able to openly talk about what's coming in October, because this impacts whether we get a BSA B65 or a BSA Bantam. I'm just saying, it has a direct impact on us all. You tell me. And I'm not penny pinching. I just care about my money that I earn and then give it back to the government. Like I say, overall, from my pay, the government gets about 50% of my pay in tax, and that includes VAT, tax on fuel, tax on cigarettes, all that kind of thing. All that kind of thing. So it's just an interesting subject. It really is an interesting subject, and it impacts all of us and the motorcycle industry. Because if taxes go up, you'll be thinking twice about getting your next bike or lowering your expectations on what that bike will be. Hence the example, BSA B65 or a BSA Bantam. £6,000 for a B65, £3,500 for a Bantam. It impacts us whichever way you look at it, and we need to openly discuss this and what our fears are. Wow. This road is unbelievably terrible. My goodness. Let's turn that there. What a beautiful bike. What a beautiful bike. Where am I going? Let's take a left. This is a great bike. And it's certainly a help towards the cost of fuel at 130 odd to the gallon. I don't know. What do you think? You're going to have to tell me. Are you worried about what's going to happen in October? Now, I guess what happens in October won't be actually become live until April 2026, giving everybody the time to adjust and take things in. But it is food for thought. It is absolute food for thought. It's a terrible situation. Terrible situation. We've got the UK has got so much debt. Last month it had to borrow 20 billion. 20 billion, of which 16 billion or 15 billion was the interest on the debts we owe. What do you think to that? That's the monthly interest on the debts we owe. 15 billion. 15 billion! That's just the interest. This is not very good. The Moment arm is not particularly strong, but it was never designed to take a microphone, to be fair. To be fair. What a beautiful day. Early August on a Sunday. What a beautiful day. So, if things go really pear-shaped, I might have to shoot off abroad. I'm not sure I can live in this country anymore with any more taxes. It really goes against my ethics. I'm just paying too much tax. Do you think you're paying too much tax? Or is it just me? When you add up all the taxes, council tax, VAT, it all goes to the government, whichever government it is. Yeah, it all goes to the government. There we are. There's a lady out for a walk. Give her a wave. Give her a wave. Puts a smile on her face. There we go. Hope you found this interesting, provocative, thought-provoking. Ride safely, be kind, and eat healthily if you can be able to afford it, if you know what I mean. Whoops, I'm not in gear. Here we go. See you soon. Bye-bye.